Hi everyone, today we're making baked ham with brown sugar glaze using ham steak. This is a mini version of the Christmas ham where we use whole bone-in ham, often with pineapple and cloves. This video tutorial is really about how to make brown sugar glaze, which you can use for ham steaks or whole hams. This recipe has simple ingredients and it's very easy to make. We need about a pound of pre-cooked ham steak, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and 1/4 cup of water. First, we'll make the glaze. We just mix all ingredients together. You can use orange juice in place of water if you want it sweeter. On Christmas, I sometimes use apple cider instead of water. Bring the glaze mixture to a boil until it thickens. The cinnamon and cloves smell really nice together. Pour the hot glaze over the ham steak. What makes the ham's distinct flavors are the cinnamon and cloves. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We usually make ham sandwich out of this. The meat is so flavorful, you won't need any condiments. Here's a list of the full ingredients of the brown sugar glaze. Hope you can try out this very simple recipe for the holidays or any other occasion. The brown sugar glaze makes the ham so flavorful that you'll want to eat this every day. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in my next video. If you like this simple recipe, please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day.